What's going on, guys? It's Stevan here with All American Print Supply. We're coming to you our Texas branch open house right here in Carrollton. We're going to go start to finish right now with the Epson Direct to Garment. Now, I'm sure you guys already know, before you actually print, you do want to pre-treat the fabric so that it can accept the white ink, hold all your detail, and give us a great final product. Over here, I have two of my personal favorite pre-treat machines, the Mr. T2 Pro and the Mr. T2. These are great automated equipment pieces to very consistently and efficiently apply the correct amount of pre-treat in the correct print location. And while this enclosed box unit is great for keeping any overspray, any extra mist nice and contained, the Mr. T2 Pro is going to be a little more ideal for volume production in that I can load multiple garments, print, spray, load, and continue on. Now over here, we have our Epson F-2100, America's #1 selling direct-to-garment printer, and today we have it paired with our Cathari NeoRip software. This is the best way to get the most potential out of what these machines are capable of, as well as user-friendly ease of direct-to-film printing as well. Another one of our favorite printing methods here at All American Print Supply is definitely dye sublimation. With such a wide range of different substrates and polyester applications available, this is popular for a lot of different reasons. And I would definitely say the most popular substrate is going to be drinkware, specifically coffee cups. Now, for the most part, users are typically going to be loading these into a mug press. Now, I did want to highlight here today the Hicks Subli Pro countertop. If you are looking to take your sublimation business to the next level, operate with greater efficiency, this is the way to go. You can definitely get a wide assortment of different shaped mugs, get these cured and ready for processing. This thing is a beast. All right, guys, we got a sneak preview, some very exciting, groundbreaking news. If you haven't heard, All American Print Supply is releasing our very first desktop DTF printer. We're talking about the AA Prestige. There we go. This is able to handle letter, legal, all the way up to 13 by 19. Like I said, regular US 110 electrical. You can produce your direct-to-film transfers right here. If you guys have been considering getting into DTF, maybe a little nervous about some of the larger equipment options out here, this machine's for you. Super user-friendly. It's got bulking system on the side, white ink circulation. If you haven't started doing DTF yet, no excuse now. Over here, we got the DTF production powerhouse. This is not a converted printer. This is not a repurposed machine. This is one of the first and only fully OEM, top to bottom, direct to film printer. Of course, I'm talking about the STS Muto VJ628D 24-inch DTF roll printer that can also handle cut sheets. But like I said, this is a production powerhouse meant for autopilot, hands-free production. There's an available app for iOS and Android. You can leave this thing on autopilot, monitor your status, maintain those ink levels, see if your waste bottle needs attention. At 36 square feet an hour, if you're looking to get into direct-to-film and produce at a high velocity, this is the way to go. Additionally, it is available with an available powder applicator, shaker, conveyor dryer, and take-up reel here. Meaning you put your film in on that side, produce your prints, it's gonna apply the hot melting powder. It's gonna shake off all that excess. It's gonna cure your transfers for you and even roll them back up. If you guys have been on the Instagram, Vince and I recently did a little live video where we took a roll basically across the street. We had left that thing on autopilot for hours and we produced hundreds of transfers. Direct-to-film is a very, that's a revolutionary kind of textile printing method that's opening up so many applications, so many fabric options, and this is the way to go if you guys, like I said, looking to take your direct-to-film to the next level. Are you a high production print shop? Do you have a lot of t-shirts that you're sending out on a regular day-to-day basis? That means you probably have someone on payroll constantly folding. And you may think you're taking advantage with the folding board thing, but if you guys are looking to free up that time, free up your manpower, free up your efforts, the AAT Folder Pro. With available folding and bagging options, this is a great way to, like I said, streamline your production, get your distribution under control, this is a great machine. At All American Print Supply, we're proud to cater to all budgets, all production volumes, and all businesses. Whether you're looking at a desktop dye sublimation for piece by piece or roll mass production operation, we have something to fit every production volume need. The Epson line of dye sublimation products are so user-friendly and really great, very popular products here. Like I said, this guy here is more of a desktop option. Talking about the Epson F-170, this is able to handle letter and legal size for high-resolution, permanent, long-lasting dye sublimation transfers. And the big brother, the Epson F63, what do we got here? The 6370 44-inch dye sublimation production powerhouse. This thing can also handle sheets, but you can also load in rolls up to 44 inches, have continuous production, and with the bulking system right here, this guy's a money saver as well. At All American Print Supply, we're proud to be an authorized distributor for the leading heat transfer vinyl in the country. Of course, we're talking about Caesar, not Sizer, not Scissor. Caesar heat transfer vinyl with such a wide range of different finishes. Oh man, we got glitter, we got metallic, we got glow in the dark. Come on down, we got this awesome pizza box where you can take a look at all the different application options. Very user-friendly. They call it Easy Weed for a reason. We like to consider ourselves sort of a one-stop shop, whether it's new printing equipment, blank garments, supplies, or printing ink. We're happy to service all of the greater Texas area here at our Carrollton location. We are open Monday through Friday, and like I said, we're your one-stop shop. We're happy to be the suppliers of some of the best products in the business, and we always have your ink in stock. Make sure you stop on by if you haven't yet.